Welcome to the video, guys. Please like, subscribe and share our channel Review India for more such videos. Today we have an amazing Amazon product for you which can use for wall art and for decorating your houses as well. It's sturdy, it's golden in color. As you can see, it's a beautiful 36 by 36 inches beautiful metal wall mirror that can be used as a mirror and also as a decorative piece. You can see I have used it here. It is very cheap, it is very mediocre in price. I'll share the price at the end of the video. Keep watching the video to support the channel and like, subscribe and share. This is a metal piece, corrosion free. No corrosion has been encountered till yet in this product. The product is strong, sturdy and is very affordable in price, and it's very strong. As you can see, the golden leaves are very beautiful and it's pure metal. You can see it looks really amazing and stunning in our drawing room. As you can all see, this is a very thin, ultra modern, sleek thing and the best wall decor you can get from Amazon. Now I'll be sharing the price. Very soon you'll see the prices on screen. Keep watching the video, keep watching the channel, keep supporting, and this is the final price, which is 4,249. I'll also share the link. Please comment for the links as well. Thank you.